Hey everybody, Mike here with Tri-Delta. We're sitting at 70 degrees here in mid-Michigan this afternoon. I am headed down to Charlotte for a no coolant call. It's about a 35 minute ride, so sit back and relax. We'll be there before you know it. Alright guys, sorry about the wind, but we are out in farm country as you can see. We're going to take a look at this air conditioner and see what's going on with it. And now it just kicked on. That's very interesting. Okay, I have to change that terminal. Put that down there. Put that right there. I plugged it in, fired it up a couple of times. A couple of times it came on, a couple of times it didn't. So what I'm going to do is we're going to just disconnect this. We're going to put my meter on it. We're going to take a look at the contacts, see if they're pitted out, see what's going on with it. So let's see what we got going on here. It's pretty pitted. The contacts are pitted. I just want to see. I should have good continuity there. Shouldn't have anything here. Huh. Well, I can tell you that the homeowner told me yesterday that this was pulled in and we couldn't get electricity to travel from point A to point B. So I'm thinking that either something got into the contacts and that wouldn't allow it to travel through, because he did say that he had cleaned it out and it had a bunch of bugs in it. So we're going to replace the contactor. It's a relatively inexpensive part. Alright, so the homeowner got some work done on the, I guess he got all new siding, which is pretty nice. We're going to mount this disconnect. It's a safety issue, so let's go ahead and see if we can get a couple of screws in it. A whole lot better than what it was. We are zeroed out. This is an R22 unit, pretty old, but we're gonna I managed to get this on here without losing refrigerant. All right. Liquid line. So I'm going to attribute my Superheat, because we've got a low heat load in the house. It is 60, let's see, what's the temperature in Charlotte, Michigan?
It's currently 70 degrees in Charlotte, Michigan.
I just don't think I have a proper heat load on the coil. Yep, I'm going to call this one good. All right, fellas, thanks for watching. I'll check you out on the next one.